Hi, my name is Jimmy with Apple and Nissan Richmond. Today we'll be taking a look at this eye-catching refresh to the 2023 Nissan Altima. In this video, I'll be showing you what new aesthetics, design elements, and features made their way into the Altima, and what sets this mid-size sedan apart from the rest of its competitors. Nissan always puts you and your family's safety first across all models, and the Altima is no exception. Standard on all models is the Safety Shield 360, giving you confidence on every side. This SR Premium model comes equipped with intelligent emergency braking with pedestrian detection, rear automatic braking, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, and high beam assist. Available Pro Pilot Assist utilizes a forward-facing camera and radar to help the driver stay in the center of a traveling lane. While maintaining a preset distance with the preceding vehicle, it is capable of bringing the vehicle to a complete stop and hold the vehicle during rush hour traffic. This makes highway driving, commuting, and any distance of trip a breeze. Under the hood is the tried and true 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine rated at 182 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. Not every all-wheel drive system is created equal, and they won't all give you the same level of confidence in Nissan's intelligent all-wheel drive. Standard on the 2023 Altima, the all-wheel drive system continuously monitors the road conditions ahead and can redistribute the torque between the front and the rear wheels, ensuring traction and responsiveness wherever you are and in whichever conditions you find yourself in. Undoubtedly, one of the best parts about the Altima in 2023 is the updated new front fascia, with a fresh expression of Nissan's V-Motion grille that is bigger and wider, extending into the standard LED headlights, giving the 2023 Altima an unmistakable presence on the road. In addition, there are two new aluminum alloy wheel designs, including this two-tone 19-inch wheel on the SR Premium. From the moment you set foot inside the 2023 Altima, you get a sense of near luxury feel in both the design and materials. The dual-stitch interior fabric design, found exclusively on the SR Premium, is both performance-inspired and pleasant to look at. The zero-gravity seating, inspired by the weightlessness of space, is designed to alleviate feelings of fatigue from sitting for long or short periods of time. With an all-new 12.3-inch touchscreen display that is bigger and wider than the previous generation, the 2023 Altima offers both wireless Android Auto and wireless AppleCarplay. This is the first time we're seeing wireless Android Auto in the Nissan lineup. Plus, wireless charging is available for the first time in the new Altima, and you can get rid of all the clutter on the cords and cables. Also new to the model, built-in Alexa helps you simplify everyday life by using voice commands, so you can stay connected with the world while having undivided attention on the road. With the updates to design and tech, the Altima has truly become one of the top contenders in this segment in 2023. If there was ever a time to consider the Altima as your next vehicle, this is absolutely it. This has been Jimmy with Apple and Nissan Richmond, bringing to you exactly what you want to know. Come visit us and take the excitement of driving to a whole new level.